How to change your password on IQ option application. So first thing we do, we go to IQ option here, and as you can see, this is the home page. Now you have to go to the top corner right here and then choose. You will find many options, but you have to click on settings and then go down and choose security. And after that you will have four options. You click on change password, and then you need to write your current password in the first option here and the new password here, and repeat your new password and click save, and it will be changed in easy fast way. And that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.